Our first module is disability awareness, very intentionally titled, as it's important for us to begin this course with a broader perspective of disability outside the context of sport and physical activity. And what that will do for us is to provide us with an understanding of some of the historical aspects of disability, how those impact not only people with disabilities but our overall society. This module should also help give us an understanding of how disability is defined. And there's many models that define disability, and scholars disagree on, what the best model might be, and different models come with pros and cons. But nevertheless, regardless of what model one subscribes to or believes in, the word disability, it is a label. And like many other labels in life, labels come with stigmas, prejudice, bias, and I'm going to challenge all of us within this module by the end of the module to think differently, perhaps than the way you do today, and challenge you to shift your paradigm, your philosophy, and think differently about disability.